Thank you so much. So guess what? Wait, drum rolls. We have been monetized, guys. Yay! I want you guys to do something for me. Just tell me congratulations in the comment section. Type congratulations in the comment section. Congratulate me now, because it's not easy. It is not easy. This is super exciting for me. This is super amazing. I am very happy. Thank you guys so much to all of you that have subscribed to my channel, that have liked my videos, shared my videos, dropped comments. You have contributed immensely to my monetization, and I just want to tell you thank you so much. I am super grateful. Thank you, and God bless each and every one of you for being part of this beautiful journey. As the wait is over, for those of you that are observant, I'm sure that you must have noticed 1 or 2 ads in my videos. So if you watch my videos and you see any ads, please don't skip that ad. Watch the ad so that I can earn money, because that is how we earn money on YouTube. We earn money through ads. So let me take you guys on a little trip down memory lane and share my YouTube journey. Okay, so I started YouTube in 2022, around June, July. I started YouTube because I was bored. There was ASU strike for Nigerians. You know what ASU strike is? There was ASU strike. I was bored. I was idle. So one morning I just woke up. There was no plan prior to that though. I just woke up, created a YouTube channel, and then the next day I uploaded my first YouTube video. Usually before you start posting content on YouTube, you have to go through other content creators and see how they are doing their own, but I did not even care. If you check my first 2 videos, you will see how amateur that video looks. And no, I'm not deleting it. It just shows me how much I've grown in this platform. Like I mentioned, I started YouTube due to ASU strike. I was bored, and not too long after I posted those 2 videos, ASU called out the strike and I went back to school. And not too long after that, I got married, I got pregnant. Like in the space of 1 year, all these things happened in 1 year. Everything was just overwhelming. I even forgot I had a YouTube channel, or I created a YouTube channel. Fast forward to this, say 2024, January this year, I decided to pick up YouTube again, and from January to date, this is where we are, monetized from January to September. YouTube is a hard platform. Like for you to get monetized, it takes a lot. There are certain requirements that you need to get for you to get monetized. For you to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have, first of all, there are certain steps and stages you need to pass. Okay, so the first step is to get 500 subscribers and to get 3,000 watch time hours. There are certain perks you're going to enjoy when you pass that step, but you're not going to start earning from ads. YouTube will not pay you. The way you're going to earn are from membership fees, super stickers. Your fans or your subscribers can decide to gift you money. That stage was like the most stagnant stage in my YouTube journey. When I hit 500 subscribers and I hit 3,000 watch time hours, it was as if my channel just paused. I wasn't getting views any longer. I wasn't getting watch time hours. Like my channel was just stagnant, and I was really discouraged. One morning, I just logged into my YouTube studio and I discovered that somebody actually paid membership fee. I think my membership fee is like less than $1, about $1 or so, and I saw $1 in my YouTube studio. That is $1 has entered my AdSense account. I was so surprised. Like that thing just gave me enough ginger, and I stopped feeling discouraged, and I continued posting my videos. I really don't know who that person is, but if you're watching this video, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't even know how that's impacted in my life. Trust me, you have no idea. It's not like the money was big, but the thought of it that somebody would actually want to be a member of my channel, that really encouraged me. So thank you so much. After I passed that stage, the next stage was to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. You see, getting subscribers might not be hard, but you see, getting watch time hours, if you are a YouTuber, you know how difficult getting 4,000 watch time hours is. There are some people that have been on YouTube for years, 5 years, 6 years, and they've not been monetized. And that is not because they've not gotten up to 1,000 subscribers, but the reason is that they've not gotten up to 4,000 watch time hours. What does 4,000 watch time hours means? This is the duration, the number of hours YouTube expects your videos to be watched, and it has to be in a space of 1 year, 365 days. Do you know how hard it is? Like, less people watch your videos for 4,000 watch time hours, and that is like 240,000 minutes and 166 days. Yes, I did maths. That's so hard. That is a hard requirement. The ability to make people watch your video for a long time, that takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of creativity. It takes a lot of grace also, because it is not just by what you're posting. Okay, it takes a lot. So I'm really excited that I was able to pass through that tough stage in this my YouTube journey, and thank you guys so much for helping me out. That is actually the last stage before you get monetized. I got up to 1,000 subscribers since August, but what was holding me back was my watch time hours. That fateful morning on the 1st of September, I checked my YouTube studio and I saw that I had unlocked a new way to earn. That new way to earn is by earning through YouTube ads. Like, I was so happy. I felt so fulfilled. In YouTube studio, you're going to see all the process you need to take to turn on your monetization. So what I did, I had already created my AdSense account before then. So what I did was just to enable monetization. I turned on monetization for all my videos, and then I started seeing the dollar sign on my dashboard. I can't even explain how that felt. Like, I felt fulfilled. I felt like I've achieved something. It was then that it dawned on me that, okay, I am now a YouTuber. This is now a job because I'm getting paid. That was like a happy new month gift from God, because it was God that did it. Because most times I just check my channel and I see how much I've grown. I'm asking myself, what did I do to get this kind of grace? Okay, this is a huge milestone for me. Not everybody have been able to get it, so I feel really happy and I feel really excited. And you out there that have been on YouTube for a long time, you want to give up or you want to quit because you're not yet monetized, please keep grinding. You're going to get there. So after that, I started earning dollars little by little, started dropping into my account. Okay, before now, I used to think that I would earn from my previous views, because before now I had over 100,000 views total from my total videos. So I was thinking that, okay, I would get paid for 100,000 views that I got before monetization. But that's not how YouTube is. All the views you got before you got monetized, even if it's 1 billion views, it doesn't count. YouTube will start paying you based off of views you got after monetization. So after I turned on my monetization on all my videos, any views I got after that, or any views I get after that, pick the one that is correct, that is where I'm going to get paid from. Okay, so it's just like I'm starting afresh to get views. I don't know if that makes sense. So there's something I noticed that YouTube does. They update your payment after 24 hours. So the views you got after 24 hours, they will do their calculation, take their own tax and the rest, and then they will update your payments in your dashboard. First, the payment I got on my dashboard after 24 hours from all the views I got in 24 hours was about $4, $3 thereabouts. I kept on getting money. My money kept on increasing and increasing. So when I got up to $10, I got a mail from YouTube, and this was like last week. I got a mail from YouTube telling me that I needed to verify my identity, so I had to use my passport. So I uploaded my passport to the page, and immediately my verification was successful. Like, it took me less than 10 minutes to get the return message that my verification was successful. After my identity was verified, the next step was for me to wait for my pin. I've not gotten the pin yet. I know that getting that pin is another stress, another wahala, because it's going to be sent from your post office, and you know how disorganized Nigeria system is. From what I've seen from most YouTubers, you would have to go to the post office to get the pin. I'm going to talk about that in another video. That would be when I get my first YouTube paycheck. I'm going to talk about the pin process. Guys, that is the stage where I'm at now. I'm actually waiting for my pin, and if I don't get it, maybe next week, I'm going to go to the post office or I request a new pin. So now, before I leave, I just want to say this. YouTube has a lot of opportunities, like a whole lot of opportunity. Do you know that before I got monetized, before I even dreamt of getting monetized, I had like 200 subscribers as at then, and my watch time hours was nowhere to be found, close to 4,000. I got an email from a brand that wanted to work with me, and that brand actually paid me in dollars. In a country like Nigeria, where things are very hard, there are no jobs. Even if you graduate from school, you're not getting jobs. There are no jobs. Now is the time to take advantage of social media. Social media now is like the new oil money. People that are cashing out on social media, they are cashing out real big. I'm not saying this just to sugarcoat anything. There are people that have quit their 9-to-5 jobs because of the benefits they get from being or earning from social media. Amongst all the platforms, social media platform, YouTube is the only one. Okay, and Facebook that just recently got monetized in Nigeria. But YouTube have been paying their creators since the beginning. TikTok doesn't pay. Instagram doesn't pay. These apps, they give you visibility. You might not really be earning directly from the app, but you'll be earning from brand deals, from promotion deals and the rest, which is something, and they pay very, very, very well. But YouTube gives you the visibility, you get brand deals, and they also pay you directly. So if you're out there, you are broke, you don't have a job, you are idle, and you are broke, please start off YouTube. I don't know how else I'm going to say this. Some people might be camera shy, or some people might have one insecurity or the other, and hence they tend to hide themselves from the camera. If I can do it, you can. If there's anyone that should be insecure about making a video and posting online, should be me, because I stutter. But who would know if I don't say it? Who would know? So whatever insecurity you think you have, people might not even notice it. It might just all be in your head. YouTube is also very, 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 very hard to grow. YouTube is extremely hard to grow or to be successful in. But one thing about YouTube, it just takes one video, and then you are blown. That video will attract audience, it will attract more likes, it will attract more subscribers, and those subscribers might end up watching your other videos, thereby increasing your views and your money also. So it just takes one video for it to blow me. I'm yet to get that video that would blow me. Hopefully it's this one or anyone. I don't mind, as long as I get blown. That is just what I want. I want to blow up. Once you get that one video that would go viral, you can get up to like 2,000 or 3,000 or even 10,000 subscribers from just one video. And that's the truth. There is something you have passion for, and you feel like that thing is something that you can share to people on YouTube, and you feel like YouTube is something you can do, my dear, go for it. I know that it takes some people a long time to get monetized, but it also takes some people 1 month, 2 months to get monetized. Some people might just post their first video and they'll be lucky enough to get blown from their first video. And even if you don't get successful in 1 month or 2 months or even a year, that doesn't mean you should stop. Now, I'm saying this for people that have been on YouTube for a long time and they've been discouraged because they're not getting views and they're not even close to getting monetized. My dear sister, my dear brother, please don't get discouraged. Keep staying consistent. What really helped me to get monetized this quick, because I would say I got monetized quick, as at January this year, I had less than 50 subscribers and I had less than 100 watch time hours. It took me from January to September to get monetized. That is like how many months? 9 months. And to me, I would say that was very fast, because if I'm to look at how long it takes some people, I just feel favored. So what really helped me to stay consistent was the fact that I chose a niche that I had passion for. If you know me, you know that I have passion for anything skincare, in fact anything beauty. I have passion for that. So that was what I had to channel that into my YouTube. Sometimes I would post a video and I wouldn't get much views, but I will not get discouraged. I will keep doing what I'm doing because I love doing it. So that is one thing that helped me to stay consistent, because there was a particular period that I had stagnant growth. I was not growing. My subscribers were not growing, they were just stagnant. My watch time hours was not growing, it was even reducing. If not that I have passion for this skincare stuff that I'm doing, like I have strong passion for it, I would have quit a long time ago. And if I had quit, I wouldn't be here. So that is why if I'm advising people that want to start off YouTube, I'd always tell them, look for something you have passion for. Because trust me, if I was working on electronics or automobile or things that I don't have passion for, I would have quit a long time ago. I would have quit, because YouTube can be frustrating. You make a video, you put in so much effort in that video, and then you post it and you don't get views. That can be very, very discouraging. Try as much as possible to stay consistent. If you are a YouTuber and you've been on this platform for a long time and you are not yet monetized, please don't get discouraged. Try and stay consistent. Try and stay consistent. That is, it really works. I know that me saying consistency is kind of cliche, because this is what most people say. This is the major thing you need to do in order to get monetized: consistency. And then make sure that you are passing good information to people, and one particular day your time will reach. One thing with YouTube is that we are earning in dollars. So if you know the exchange rates right now as a Nigerian, you will not even think it's why $1 now is about 1,600 naira. Let's say the least amount you get paid is $100 in a month, and that is like $160 from the comfort of your home. You are not going through traffic. If you're in Lagos, you're not experiencing Lagos traffic, you're not stressing yourself, you're just making videos from the comfort of your home, and you're getting paid from it. That is the best feeling ever. And some people might go as far as creating other YouTube channels, which is what I'm thinking of doing, creating other channels so that you have other streams of income. There are people that have up to 4 or 5 YouTube channels and even more, and they are earning from all those channels. Do you know how huge that is? Me, I'm not there yet. As I'm saying this, and I'm also advising myself to keep my consistency, because I know that I've tried to be consistent throughout this year. I've really tried staying consistent. I don't really post every day. I post once a week, but that once a week I try as much as possible to be very, very consistent with it, and that has led me to getting monetized. Now that I'm monetized, because I want my money to keep growing, I feel like posting once a week now is not enough. I want to start posting 3 times or 4 times in a week if possible. The more you post, the more you get views, and the more you get views, the more you earn. That is how it works. So aspiring YouTubers, make up your mind now and start YouTube. And to my fellow YouTubers, my fellow growing YouTubers, don't get discouraged. Keep grinding, and one day your time would come. Okay, I believe in you. I believe in you. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and drop comments. And I'm going to see you on my next one. And until then, have a good day. Bye.